Hello, and thank you again for stopping by for our live. And I'm here. My name is Faisal Garcia. I'm a credit repair specialist. I'm here to explain and give you some insights on Credit Suisse. Before I begin, I have some best practices for listening the live. A quiet place, headphones, putting your phone on silent, avoiding multitasking, checking emails, text, such, and sitting down really helps. I have everything on the screen, so I just kind of jog through some of these points. So today's topic is Credit Suisse Collapse. Thank you for attending. This presentation will take anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes. Please ask questions in the comment section. I'll answer them at the end of the presentation. At the end of webinar, what you'll learn is the reasons behind Credit Suisse collapse. Now, it's not just one, there's many, and it's over time. So with that being said, go ahead and connect with us. If you like this, if you're watching this after live and you like this video, hit that button, like us, follow us, comment. Any action you take on this algorithm helps us get to more folks like you that may benefit from this presentation. Number is 647-373-9651. We're a credit repair company. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, website, and of course, email address to reach us. Credit Suisse. This is another bank from US that's struggling as we speak. It's one of the biggest financial institutions in the world. Now, Credit Suisse Bank, a global investment bank and financial services firm founded and based in Switzerland, is organized as a joint stock company. What I mean by that is has two divisions, private banking, wealth management, investment banking. And if you want to know more, the source is at the bottom of the slide. You're welcome to check them out. Now, to fight inflation, raising interest rates is one of the solutions central banks take. However, what it does do, so every action has a consequence and a reaction. So the consequence is it makes the other national investment banks a little bit more vulnerable since the rates have gone up. There's things that do change in their assets and or liabilities, since interest is the biggest part of banking system. It is said the Credit Suisse has been struggling for years. Now the struggle has been for multiple reasons, and we'll break them down one at a time. It was widely seen as the weakest link among Europe's large banks, according to Kinningham. And the source is right there. It's from CNN. And that's a statement they made. With that being said, in 2014, Credit Suisse pleaded guilty to federal charges that it illegally allowed some U.S. clients to evade their taxes. The bank paid a total of $2.6 billion to the federal government and New York financial regulators as part of the settlement. Now, it sounds scary, and there's a whole article about it, which is why I've put the link in there for the source, so you can check it out. But this is a quick summary. The bank's reputation was damaged by an accounting scandal at Lunkin Coffee. Credit Suisse also acted as an underwriter when the company went public on the NASDAQ in 2019. In 2020, Credit Suisse CEO Tidjane Thiam, I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, he resigned after two high-profile spying scandals involving top bank officials. A year later, the collapse of U.S. hedge fund left them with $5.5 billion in the damage to the bank. Again, there's a source. You're welcome to check it out. A string of scandals over many years, top management changes, multi-billion-dollar losses, and an unaspiring strategy all brought things to a place. Credit Suisse confirmed last month that clients had pulled 110 billion Swiss francs of funds in fourth quarter, while the bank suffered its biggest annual loss of 7.2 billion Swiss francs since the financial crisis in December. So, Credit Suisse had tapped investors for 4 billion Swiss franc. With that being said, here's a little chart about the shares that have lost 75% of its value over the past 1 year. If you look at the trend, you'll see where TM quits after spying scandal. There's a 5.5 billion from default and such. Credit Suisse announced hit from Greensill. There's Alex Lehman takes over as chairman after Antonio. There's a bit of a spike but drop again. Over time, there has been many events that are negatively affecting their market share, their value. So with that being said, I wanted to bring this since Credit Suisse is in the news quite a bit. I wanted to break it down and see if this was because just like me, you also must have questions as to did this happen overnight or was there a trend over time. And to me, when I look at it, there's different events. I'm not sure if I can say it's a trend, but there's definitely a number of events that sort of contributed to where they are. If you have any questions, any concerns, feel free to reach out. There's the phone, you can call, text, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, website, and of course, email. With that being said, I truly appreciate you all being here and thank you for attending the live. I'll end this now.